Здравствуйте! Мы находимся на одном из пляжей в районе Алсанжак. Мы здесь, потому что в шаговой доступности отсюда находится проект, который мы хотим вам сегодня представить. Квартиры и виллы прекрасного застройщика Северного Кипра.
This site is building on 14 dönüm and it is about 6 kilometer west part of Kayrina. It is seaside area. It is too close to sea. After our site there is no building permission. It's empty plot. So from sea it's about 200 meters away. We are going to build here about 33 villas. But there will be also 2 blocks of apartment, which is 7 of them will be apartment and rest will be villas. In our projects, we are using different types of villa, and outside painting, the customers can choose which color they like, because we doesn't like to make all villas same colors and same type. So when you enter our site, you can see each villa as a built separate houses as a villa. This is green emerald houses. These are 150 square meter as a closed area. There are 3 bedrooms upstairs, and there are kitchen, lounge and hall on ground floor, and there are also open terraces and balconies. These houses are with fireplace. There are separate dining over here. Yeah. And also for these houses, the customers they can choose the finishing materials. And we are giving a chance to choose the finishing material how they want. This is a laminate fitted kitchen units for kitchen room. There are also balconies. It is a big size. We are upstairs. This is master bedroom. It is ensuite, and there is separate balcony here. As you see, windows are white color PVC, and it is double glazing.
This is walk-in wardrobe?
Yeah, this is walk-in wardrobe. These are another bedrooms. This is the smaller bedrooms, but as you know it is big size for double bed. And there is balcony here also. This is mountain view. In this upstairs hall, there will be nice sitting area, as you see here, and it is sea view. This is last bedroom. You see, still is for double bed. This is big enough, and there is also balcony from here. For this site we can give credit. When you buy a house from villa from here, up to finish you can pay 50%, and then the 50% we can give you 5-year credit after finished.